Our Honorable Prime Minister announced lockdown for 21 days to prevent coronavirus. But the number of COVID-19 cases increasing day by day, and hence lockdown is also extended for a long period. First of all, we will want to note what is lockdown. Lockdown means a lockout talabandi that is implemented to save lives of people during disaster or epidemic. During lockdown, public transport services likewise car, buses, taxis, aeroplane, train, etc. should remain closed. School, colleges and offices also remain closed. No one can get out of the house without any necessary work. Only important services likewise hospital, clinic, medical, ration shop, bank, etc. should remain open. Lockdown has brought many benefits in our life. Lockdown has very positive impact in our environment. The pollution had reduced and rivers become clean. We have saved lakhs of liter fuel. We have actually spending our quality time with families and encouraging our friends to stay home, stay safe. But yes, it was not too long. Lockdown has been extended for a long period. Lockdown have many side effects in societies. Approximately 18 million people lost their jobs because of lockdown. This has very negative impact on our country's economy. Many migrant workers' families reaches their villages by walking around of 1,000 kilometers as transport service was not available. Such migrant workers had to face a lot of difficulties, likewise lack of water, lack of food. Some lost their lives while traveling. The lockdown have negative impact on almost all sectors. I prepared a song for lockdown. ना हाथ मिलाना, ना बाहर जाना, घर में ही पड़े हैं, बंद पैसा आना, रोते दिल की यही है दास्तां, कोरोना कोरोना ओ कोरोना, इतना भी परेशान मत करो ना, कोरोना कोरोना ओ कोरोना. I end my speech with hearty and humble salute to our COVID-19 fighters, likewise doctor and police, and Sonu sir too, who helps migrant laborers to reach their villages during lockdown. Thank you very much.